Morning folks, this is Roscoe down at Wilkins Harley-Davidson in Barre, Vermont. Today we have a 2017 Electroglide, and we're going to be doing a baseline stage 2 run because the customer is going to do a 128 kit. It's a very good customer of ours, Terry Robert from up north. And yeah, we're going to do a couple runs here and see where we're at, and then when we get the build, we'll do a couple end runs and see how much we improved. So we're going to do a 4th and 5th gear run. First run in 4th gear was 92 horsepower and 103 foot-pounds of torque. The second gear, of course in 5th gear, a little bit faster, it was 92.14 with 107 foot-pounds of torque. So you gained a few on the torque. We're going to go ahead and install the 128 kit, and we'll see what we get when we get it done. Hey guys, Roscoe from Wilkins Harley-Davidson. We're back. We just finished up our build on our 128 for Terry Robert. I did the final dyno runs, and as you can see up here, when we first initially brought it in, he had a stage 2 with a Screaming Eagle air cleaner and high flow exhaust, and he was pushing out 92 horsepower and about 107 foot-pounds of torque. After all the install and some dyno tuning, our end results were 135 horsepower and 141 maximum torque. So you can see that's a substantial gain from what he had to what he has now. So, and Terry will like power. So. Hey guys, look what I just did on the dyno.
Wow! Holy smokes! You're gonna feel that, man.